Well, hello everybody. It's Doris at DFDesigns. Welcome to my follow-up video to Saturday because I couldn't pour all the layers of resin at once. So, this is what I ended up with Saturday. I had the sandpaper there just a little bit, okay? Now this is going to be really quick right here. I got 200 milliliters of resin mixed up. Sorry, words are hard today. And what I'm gonna do is okay, it's not gonna my stick's not gonna fit in there, so okay, I don't know how much that is, but you can never go too bad with the micas, okay? Because this next layer, all you're doing is you're pouring two colors. One of them is the green. Sorry, I was trying to look at my. And the other one is the clear. And hopefully, I gotta put a little bit more in here. Hopefully my, how much was that? Can't tell how much I used. Not quite half, but not quite, Okay, now I know it's hard to see how it is. It's still translucent, or semi-transparent, okay? And I'm just looking for any little bits that may have gotten in there while I was doing this, okay? So now, all I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pour both colors out. Because I want to try to keep the green down here. There we go. Oops, I wasn't watching where this cup was going. My clear cup was going. Okay, let me just get the last little bit out of here. Okay, and yeah, that's I don't want to use the heat, so I'm going to use some alcohol to get rid of bubbles. Okay, now here comes what the whole reason for this layer. You're going to take your stick into the green, and you're going to do the little northern lights that go up. because I probably introduced more air bubbles in there. Haha. Let's give it a little bit more alcohol just to make sure. Okay, this is going to sit till it gets cured, cured enough to where it's not tacky, and it's not how do I put it? It's not movable or tacky. So that's all I do to this layer. Okay, time to do the trees and the final layer. And I'm going to hopefully be able to heat the paint up in between the, oops, got to open the paint. I couldn't find just a regular regular black, so I'm going to use this black metallic. I don't see any reason why I can't. It should mix okay. So I'm going to put a little bit in this cup over here. Okay. And I got 2 brushes. Hopefully this one will do the mountains and this one will do the trees. Okay. So first, I'm going to get my paintbrush wet. Okay, let's see. There we go. There we go. That looks good. Okay, so basically, I'm going to be speeding this up because this is going to take me a long time because I'm going to be going over parts of it. Sometimes I'm going to be tilting it this way towards me so I can see what it's doing. Lighting's bad for me too. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to speed it up, and I'll be back when it's dry. All I can do is just pray to the resin gods that everything's dry. Looks like it is. Just going to give it its final coat. Probably going to make this really, really thick, but you know what? That's the way the bowl bounces. Okay, I won't be demolding it on this video. Tune in Saturday. What is Saturday? Not the 8th. Saturday the 15th. I will be unmolding this. For everybody to see how it turned out. I'm going to hit it with some heat and cover it. And see you all on Saturday. All I can say is I want to give a shout out to my grands, which is Devin, Alyssa, Tony, Jameson, Marley, and Riven, little Rivy. Grandma loves you. See y'all on Saturday for the demolding, and all I can say is bye for now. Love you, Love you, Bentley. Wink, wink.